the Sunshine on My Mind card kit. Look at these super fun and sweet cards we're going to be creating. They're a surprise card that are perfect for adding your gift cards to, or photos. I'm going to teach you in this video how to create this card we see right here, and then the project sheet will walk you through how to create this card horizontal version with a great little frame, as well as this one. And then there'll also be some examples of what you can do with those leftovers, so you can create a total of 6 cards. To create the cards, you're going to need to pick up the Sunshine on My Mind card kit. You're going to get the bag. The step-by-step instructions are black A7 5x7 cards and envelopes. The 8x8 papers, you get 24 double-sided sheets in there. The sticker sheets, you get 2 different unique sheets. Our chipboard tags and frames, this comes with 30 different assorted pieces. And the exclusive Sunshine on My Mind button. You can pick this kit up along with our other kits on our website at g45papers.com or at your local G45 retailer. To get started on creating these surprise cards, you're going to want to grab your A7 card bases and envelopes. Those are also 7 inches by 10 inches, so if you're just using cardstock, you can use that as well. And of course the project sheet that comes in the kit, but if you're just following along with your own supplies, you can find our project sheets on our website at g45papers.com. Go up to the inspiration tab and down to project sheets, and there you'll find over 50 different fabulous, easy to follow project sheets. We're going to take one of our card bases and we're going to cut it into 3 different pieces. We're going to cut one piece that's going to be 1/2 inch by 10 inches. And then 2 more pieces that are going to be 4.5 by 6.5. We're going to take our long strip that we cut and we're going to score this in 3 places. So we are going to score this at 1 3/4, and of course on the 10-inch side at 5 inches and 8 1/4. Fold on those score lines. Step 2, we're going to take Sweetest Memories and cut 2 pieces that are going to be 2 inches by 8 inches. And then we're going to score both of those from the bottom on the 8-inch side at 1 3/4. Go ahead and fold on those score lines. So next we are going to adhere this onto one of our 4.5 by 6.5 card bases. So I want my bottom to be flush with my score folded section here. So, and then I want these to be side by side and equal. So what I'm going to do is find the placement that I like. And once I find the placement that I like, I'm going to take a paper clip and clip on my right side piece. That way I know where that one's going to go. So when I adhere this one down, I have a sense of where the center is. So you can use any of your preferred adhesive for this. I'm using some liquid adhesive by Art Glitter. So I'm just going to pick this up so I can make sure that my piece is flush with the bottom, like so. And once I like my placement, you can go ahead and burnish that down. And then we're going to adhere the other piece just side by side next to that. I'm going to take that second piece of 4.5 by 6.5, and this is just going to go right underneath our top piece that we just worked on, and we're going to adhere these pieces on to this one at a time. Step 3, we're taking 2 more pieces of Sweetest Memories, and these have been cut to 2 inches by 6 1/4, and these we will adhere just right on top of what we just adhered down, centering this on our bottom card base. And then you want to, of course, make sure that this will still close beautifully. Once you like your placement, go ahead and burnish those down and fold. So now we're going to create our interactive element, so our mechanism. So we've already scored this piece here, and now you should make sure it's folded so there's a valley, mountain, a valley, like so. And we are going to adhere this into the center of the inside of our card base. And we want to make sure that our first score line here is 3¼ inches down from the top of our card base. So I've got my ruler, so I know where my score line should go. And now I'm just going to adhere this in the center. Now we're going to adhere the bottom flap on. So we want to make sure these two aren't adhered at all, and our bottom scored section. And this also, we want this to be 3¼ inches from the bottom. So if you did your math right up here and you pull this all the way down, it should be approximately 3¼ inches from the bottom to this score line right here. And adhere those two pieces down, and you should have your now functioning mechanism that looks like this. So now let's start decorating our interactive elements. We're going to create these fun little photo mats or gift card holders, whatever you want to call them, or however you want to use them. We've got 3 pieces of good old summertime that's been cut to 4 inches by 2 5/8, and 3 pieces of 1 in a melon that have been cut to 3¾ by 2 3/8. And then we have this easy peasy summer breezy cut apart. So the first thing we're going to do is take our summer afternoon cut apart, and we're going to adhere it to our top section here. Just center that and adhere down. And now we're going to start to adhere our good old summertime pieces. So I'm going to adhere this one flat in the center on my bottom panel here. And then these two we will adhere just onto our black segments here. So I want to make sure that they are nice and centered. Add my adhesive to the center of our watermelon piece. And I'm just going to pull that up so I can see my placement on my piece. And then when I move it down, I just want to make sure that it is also centered on the inside of my card base. And then we're going to do the same here. So add adhesive to the center, pop this up and adhere down, making sure everything is still going to be popping up and there's no adhesive on the back side. Now, before we adhere our watermelon rind pieces, if you want to go above and beyond and turn this into a cute little gift card holder, then you can go ahead and add some slits. We just want to do that before we adhere our piece down. We've got our faux Graphic 45 gift card here. Of course, you just want to take a gift card that you will be using or one in your stash, and just go ahead and mark about a 1/2 inch from one edge of the top and bottom quarters. We'll just mark that on both sides. So I have my little pencil marks like so, and then I'm going to take my ruler and X-Acto knife and just use my ruler to match up those 2 points. So I have a nice diagonal here. Go ahead and cut on that slit a number of times until you reach through the paper, and then we're going to do the same down here. So I have my slit down here and up here. Now I can just take my eraser and erase my pencil marks. And voila, we have a cute little place to tuck in our gift card or photos. So easy and so cute. Go ahead and add your adhesive, and let's adhere these to the center. And here with my gift card, I'm going to keep it in so I know where to add my adhesive. I want to make sure that I don't adhere it in a way where I can't add my gift card to later, and that I won't be gluing my gift card down. So I've added my adhesive, and now I can add it to my chosen panel. Select a few stickers from your sticker sheet, and we're going to go ahead and add these to our card. So I've got some little gingham corners here that I'm adding. Added a little cherry and a one and a melon. So now we have decorated up the inside of our card, and it looks so cute. All right, so let's decorate the front of our card. And this is easy peasy. We're gonna take good old summertime and cut it to be 4 inches by 4 3/4. Then we're gonna take one and a melon. That's 4 inches by 1 1/4. This cut apart from Enjoy the Ride. And this cute little border from Enjoy the Ride as well. That's 4 inches long. And then we've got a bit of stickers and a chipboard tag to decorate the front. First thing we're going to do is adhere down good old summertime, and I want this to be equal distances from the sides and bottom. Add adhesive to our one in a melon, and this is going to go just flush with the top. Add adhesive to your little melon border, and that's going to go right over the top of our little seam of our 2 papers. Next, I've added some foam adhesive to the back of this cut apart. And it's just going to pop right in the center of our good old summertime paper. Next, all we have to do is decorate this with some of those embellishments, which we love how easy these embellishments make creating cards and all your paper crafting projects. Pat yourself on the back. You have completed your first card, and look how super cute this is. We've got the great dimension on the front. Inside, you've got our little gift card holder and our little wow surprise element. And then with the leftovers from this paper, you can decorate your envelopes. Just use some of those scraps from those 2 papers, a extra chipboard tag, and a cute little watermelon sticker on the back. Card 2, card 3, card 4, card 5, card 6. Thanks for joining us for this tutorial and tour through these cards. We hope that you enjoy creating along with us, and then be sure to go ahead and share your cards with us on Instagram by tagging Graphic45. And if you're looking for more great tutorials and videos like this one, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that notification bell so you know every time we upload a new fun and fabulous video. We thank you for joining us, and as always, happy paper crafting.